Welcome to the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences, a beautiful all-inclusive resort in Playa del Carmen where tropical jungle paths open up to white sand beaches and calm waters. Today we're touring the one-bedroom residence, a spacious and modern option that gives you extra room to spread out with a full living area, kitchen, and balcony overlooking the lush grounds. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Let's take a look inside this one-bedroom residence. And if you notice, as soon as you come in, there is a staircase to the right because this is the penthouse version of the one-bedroom residence. And we will be going up there to take a look at the very end. So something you can expect in every single one-bedroom residence is a full-sized kitchen. Yes, that's right. If you wanted to, you could make and prepare all of your meals here. Although keep in mind, the Fives is a fully all-inclusive resort, so you don't have to. You do have a full-size dining area and this living room, and this is a double-size pull-out sofa. This room will sleep 4 guests because here is your king-size bedroom, perfect for mom and dad. You have, again, the king-size bed, you have nightstands on each side, you do have the full balcony outside, and then you have your huge, wide-open bathroom with this incredible jacuzzi tub, separate shower, and separate water closet. You'll notice you do have double sinks here with amenities provided, and here is your fully enclosed shower, complete with a handheld shower and rain head, and of course you have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash included. And here's a closer look at the vanity area. You will have water and glasses next to each sink to ensure that you remember not to drink the water in Mexico. And of course, your included toiletries. And then inside the bathroom, you do have access to your closet with extra bedding, your safe. You do have drawer storage. You can see the iron and ironing board, plenty of hanging space, and really just plenty of space for all of the things that you need to store. And on the other side, you will have a laundry bag, umbrellas, there's your hangers, of course, your bathrobes, and slippers. Now we're going to head up the stairs to the penthouse in case that is the type of room that you have reserved. Welcome to your Rooftop Terrace, one of the most beautiful spaces on the property. Up here, you can get those sweeping views of the jungle and fresh ocean breezes, and really just a private spot to relax. You do have a fully half bath here with water closet and sink. You have some day beds and loungers. You even have a small bar right near the little half bath. And of course, the main priority, you've got the jacuzzi tub with those incredible jungle views. Thank you for joining me on the tour of the one-bedroom penthouse suite here at the Fives Beach. If you want to keep exploring, watch my full resort tour or one of my other room tours next. They'll help you see which space is best for your trip. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.